Today, I'll show you how wild desert cactus is turned into premium juice and natural medicine for American families. Don't forget to subscribe.
First, the raw cactus is thoroughly washed with high-pressure, purified water.
The tough outer skin is removed to extract the pure, nutrient-rich inner cactus gel. For the juice, the pure cactus extract is blended with natural agave and purified water for a refreshing American beverage. The remaining nutrient-dense fibers are thermal dried into a pure medical powder to aid digestion and blood sugar levels.
From the wild desert to American homes, cactus is now recognized as a powerful natural superfood for health and hydration.
And that's exactly how we harvest desert cactus and turn it into premium juice and natural medicine for America. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.